Hey biddies, it is Vlogmas Day 5 and I'm just getting home from work, and it's 2 a.m. So Vlogmas Day 5 is going to be combined with Day 6 tomorrow because you guys, I'm exhausted. But look, my coworkers made some cookies and brought them to work, and they were delicious. Literally so good. But before I go for Day 5, I'm gonna have you guys say goodnight to Koba. Biddies, good morning. It is Day 6 of Vlogmas, and I'm exhausted. Like, trying to film every day is really hard. Actually, I don't mind filming every day. It's editing and getting it out as soon as possible. Oh, God. But I have work today. But thank goodness it is my Friday. I'm literally so tired. I don't want to go to work today. Work has been so stressful too. Oh, God. So, I'm gonna make me some coffee. And yeah, I have to head to the store to pick up some like dinner and stuff for the rest of the week. But I'll see you guys when I'm fully awake. This is the weather condition. I'm super disappointed in New Jersey right now because they did a shit job. I know it's like the middle of the storm, but this is like so bad. Like, you had time all day to salt, and like, this is bad. But I'm driving like 25 miles an hour from work. Thank goodness they let us leave early, but I wish I left earlier or I didn't go in at all because this is like ridiculous, you guys. This is crazy. I'm literally like, it takes me 45 minutes usually to get home from work. I'm on an hour and I'm not even home yet because I have to drive so slow. Oh my God. And then all these trucks are out, but there's still so much fucking snow on the ground. There's literally trucks in front of me shoveling. There's 2 trucks in front of me, a shovel truck, whatever you want to call it, taking the same exit, but yet I'm behind them, right? So it should be clear. The road should be clear. No, I don't understand what they're doing. Like, why isn't it? Oh God, I don't know, and I'm looking crazy. I don't know what's happening. I should have just stayed my ass home from work is what I should have did. Like, there was some people called out too, but this is bad. And they're literally taking forever. If you're gonna take forever, at least shovel something. It's still so much snow on the ground. Biddy, so I am just getting home from work, okay? And they let us go home early. But yet I'm here at 12, like it's midnight. And I'm literally like snowed out. Like, I basically I work down south, so it didn't snow as much, but up here it snows so much. I get home and I get home and I can barely get into the parking space. Okay? Like, this is crazy. We're not going to be able to leave tomorrow. Like, are they going to shovel this? We don't have a shovel. Like, oh my goodness, you guys, this is insane. I had to drive so slow, like, literally like 25 miles an hour the whole way. But I should have called out. I should have just called out. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm so annoyed. Whatever. I'm about to go in the house. I just wanted to show you guys how crazy it is out here. Oh my god. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay, biddies, so I just got in the house. I had to get all cozy wozy, and look what I got from work today. They gave out blankets and they say warm wishes for a cozy Christmas. And then there's a little note: Chelsea, thank you for all your hard work. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. That's so sweet. So yeah, I'm about to get all snuggled up with that. And it also came with hot chocolate. So I'm gonna sip on that. And then I'm gonna chill out and I'm gonna close out day 5 and 6. Well, technically it's day 6, but day 5 is gonna be in this video as well. I'm gonna close it out right here, okay? So as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you guys in day 7 Vlogmas, okay? So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.